like a rock star.
G'day guys, thought I'd just do a quick little rundown of the way I have my Jackson Cruise FD set up. Everyone does it different. I also run my transducer from inside the hull, which I'll quickly show you as well. I'll also add some screenshots. A lot of guys are quite hesitant about doing that. They think it's not going to work, you're not going to pick up the readings. If you do it correctly, it'll work, no worries. The only thing you'll get is the water temperature a little bit off, but for me, that doesn't worry me too much. So let's have a look, see what I've got. First things I got was the rail blazer rod holders, one either side. Garmin 95 SV Plus works perfect. Wires straight down, in through the hull, out of the way, don't catch on anything, perfect. Little lumbar support, just your standard office chair lumbar support, helps out a fair bit, it's perfect for me. Another rail blazer mount back here, all the way up to the Burley Pro Orb Light, fantastic piece of gear. Another GoPro front forward facing view there. It's a little bit wobbly, the star mount, there's a bit of play in there. Got to work out a way of making that tight so I'm not getting so much wobble in my videos in the waves. Also put in a couple of flush mounts at the back. One I use just for my net. Perfect, handy, always know where it is. In the back, dry hatch here. I like to keep my spares spanner for the pedals, just in case. I'll just open this up, I'll show you what I was thinking here. 13mm spanner, sorry, 15mm spanner. Allen key. This one here is for the pedals, just to make sure everything's tight before I go out. I'll go away for a weekend. Small Allen keys. We've got little Allen keys here, up the front. Also in here. Just want to make sure, just give it a check every now and then, just to make sure it's all good. Also, the other thing I carry is this, very handy, just in case anything does go wrong with your drive. Drop down, lift straight off. Right there, if that wears out, if I'm on the water, I'm in trouble. That's why I carry a spare, just in case. Other things I have in here. Three little washer type devices. These actually change the speed of your prop. Depending on which way you put these in, will change from light, medium to aggressive settings. Kind of like on your bike when you're pedaling along. The more aggressive, yes, it's harder to take off, but once you get going, you cruise along. Perfect. These are just spares in case I do happen to lose something out and about. So they just stay in there. Also throw my wallet and phone in there. Keys. Secure, nice and dry. Also, things I've upgraded on the FD is this underseat tray. Not very good when the prop's up, only good when the drive's down. I'll just store me lip grips, some soft plastics, pliers when I need to. Just stays in there. The other thing I upgraded was the front hatch tub from the Mayfly. Fits perfect, exactly the same size. So I just store all my stuff when I'm not out in the water. Sunscreen, leader. I'm just getting ready for a comp this weekend, so I've already got a few little things ready to go. FPV battery. This will run my sounder for 2 days without charging. I just throw it in that little case just for some extra protection. Doesn't need it, it's waterproof. Great battery. So in here, got my wires, transducer, silicone in there, which is the foam supports just to keep it in place when it was drying. A couple of fuses running off there, one for the sounder, one for the light, just in case anything does happen. But no issues. If you do your transducer correctly without the air bubbles in the silicone, it will work, not a problem with the side scan imaging, which I'll show you in a couple of photos that I've taken while out and about. Also I upgraded the pedals. These you see the little knobs on there, they give me a lot of grip, especially when my feet are wet. Trying to power hard, trying to get back to the ramp or something like that, get to a new spot. It gives you that grip that you need on your feet without slipping off. It's perfect. That's it. That's about my rundown. Excuse the noisy neighbour's dog. It doesn't like me being in my own backyard. Sorry. Sand tracks. C-tug. Perfect. I like to mount it about halfway. Gives me a good weight. Breaks it up. It's not so heavy. These are the drives. Nice and easy to take off. 2 little wing nuts. Perfect. Alright guys. Hope you enjoy. Get some handy tips out of there. I'm about to give this girl a wash. Comp coming up in a couple of days. Get her looking nice. Cheers.